What's up, you fucking perverts? I'm John. I'm back with another video, and I thought I'd make something kind of short and stupid while I work on the bigger stuff. And by the way, the next video is gonna be cartoons. So I'll make that whenever I feel like it. So if you saw the title of the video and you're not a big fucking dum-dum, we're gonna be talking about alarms. And you're probably thinking to yourself, why alarms? That's pretty stupid. And no, you're stupid. Shut up. So the story goes, one night before the semester started, I needed to pick out a new alarm sound. Because before I had Apple Music and I switched over to Spotify. And with Apple Music, they let you pick whatever song you want for the alarm. And I don't remember what it was. But since I don't want to be a social outcast, I'm sticking with Spotify and choosing a default alarm. So I got violently high before picking out this new alarm. So I'm gonna review them for you because I think they're pretty funny. Alright, I got them pulled up on a YouTube thing since I'm recording on my phone for some reason. But whatever, let's get into it. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. This one fucking sucks. It's like any piece that you were holding on to or whatever dream you were having is immediately shattered by this noise. It wakes you up, which is a good thing, but in a panic. It's in a panic and it fucking hurts when I hear this. Even when I am awake, my heart drops a little bit and I hate it. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, this one's better. This one has a sense of peace with it, but it also sounds like something my dad would use, so you couldn't catch me dead using it. This one's silly as fuck. I haven't been giving numbers. 4 out of 10. Okay, fuck that other one. Fuck whatever that was. This is the alarm. It sounds like cartoon elevator music, and I fucking love it. It's so goofy, but it works. This one, 9.5 out of 10, because there's always room for improvement. Okay, so this one just sounds like a woodpecker. 3 out of 10. This one's called Illuminati. Illuminate. This one I love because it sounds like you're being transported to a different dimension, but in a cool kind of warming way. So this is literally just the iPhone ringtone, and 1 out of 10 because it makes you think someone cares about you, but really you just have to wake up and go through the same old shit. That one was Playtime, and I don't like it. It reminds me of like Rugrats, and I fucking hate Rugrats. And you'll see why in my cartoon video that I'll make fucking eventually. This is another ringtone, but it's like I don't want to say it again, but old people ringtone. Like, I've never seen anyone under the age of 40 use this. That one was Silk, and it was very calming. I like that. 8 out of 10. No, what the fuck? That's literally some horror movie shit. Like, literally, dark alley, you're about to get fucking brutally pummeled. Hell no. I don't want to wake up to that shit. This one, I kind of like this one. It's pretty stupid. It's like something you'd hear at like a sports stadium while they have to play defense. But it'll get me pumped. That shit'll wake me up. This one's called Twinkle, and it's what I imagine those iPad babies wake up to. That one's very majestic. That was like some Legend of Zelda, Ocarina of Time shit. That one's very beautiful. 7. Okay, now we're in the classic ringtones. So like the iPhone fucking 4 or whatever. And I need you to brace yourselves for this one. It's like as if the fucking other one wasn't bad enough. This is like a bomb is going off in your house and you need to fucking leave. What? Who would wake up to this shit? Moving on. This is why I made the video. It's just a fucking dog barking. Like, would that not terrify the shit out of you? Who would wake up to this shit? Okay. This is like... This is like what I hope... Like the sound I wish my penis would make every time I got an erection. Again, like the dog one, like the bark. Why? Who? So, if you just want to like wake up knowing you have a small penis, you can have a motorcycle revving its engine or whatever the fuck it has. It's another fucking goofy ass one. This is the one. This is the one. There's this video. I don't know if I find it, I'll put it in here. But it's some guy on Snapchat, and he's like, "Man, who's silly ass ringtone?" And it's like, but that shit is funny as fuck. I love these. I love these so much, and this is why I wanted to share them with you. I skipped over a shit ton, but whatever. This was fun.